Andrew Holness lifestyle, political career, wife, and net worth 2024. Political career. Andrew Holness, born on July 22, 1972, in Spanish Town, Jamaica, is the 9th and current Prime Minister of Jamaica. Holness embarked on his political journey in the early 1990s as a member of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP. He was elected Member of Parliament for West Central St. Andrew in 1997 and has held the seat ever since. Holness quickly rose through the ranks, holding various positions within the government, including Minister of Education from 2007 to 2012, where he championed educational reforms aimed at improving literacy and numeracy across Jamaica. In October 2011, Holness became Jamaica's youngest ever Prime Minister at the age of 39, succeeding Bruce Golding. However, his initial term was brief, as the JLP lost the general election in December 2011. He continued to serve as leader of the opposition until the JLP's return to power in 2016. Under his leadership, the JLP won the general elections of 2016 and 2020, allowing Holness to serve multiple terms as Prime Minister. His administration has focused on economic growth, crime reduction, infrastructural development, and improving Jamaica's international standing. Lifestyle. Andrew Holness is known for maintaining a relatively low-profile lifestyle despite his high-profile position. He is often described as disciplined and focused, a reflection of his dedication to public service and his commitment to improving Jamaica's socio-economic conditions. Holness leads an active lifestyle and is frequently seen participating in community events and sporting activities, such as 5K charity runs, which align with his interest in promoting health and wellness. As a leader, Holness has embraced social media and digital platforms to communicate directly with citizens, fostering a modern and accessible image. He often shares updates on government projects, personal reflections, and messages of inspiration, aiming to engage a younger demographic and promote transparency. Holness is also a known advocate for education, self-improvement, and personal development. He values reading, and his speeches often reflect a deep understanding of both local and global political issues, shaped by his background in management and economics. Despite his busy schedule, he makes time for his family and enjoys traveling, both for work and leisure. Wife and family. Andrew Holness is married to Juliet Holness, who is also a notable figure in Jamaican politics. Juliet Holness, a member of the Jamaica Labour Party, currently serves as a Member of Parliament for East Rural St. Andrew. She is an accomplished accountant and businesswoman and is deeply involved in philanthropic activities. Together, the Holnesses form a dynamic political duo, with Juliet actively participating in parliamentary debates, community outreach, and policymaking. The couple has 2 sons, Adam and Matthew. The family maintains a private life, with the Holnesses often keeping their children away from the media spotlight. However, they are occasionally seen together at public events, where they project an image of a close-knit, supportive family. Net worth. As of 2024, Andrew Holness' estimated net worth is around $7 million. This wealth primarily comes from his salary as Prime Minister, along with income from investments, property, and previous professional engagements. While Jamaican politicians typically do not earn large sums compared to their international counterparts, Holness' net worth reflects his prudent financial management and investments in real estate. The Holness family is known for their modest lifestyle despite their public roles, and they have invested wisely in various properties, including their primary residence in Jamaica. Andrew Holness also owns several rental properties, which contribute to his income. Conclusion. Andrew Holness' career as Prime Minister of Jamaica showcases his dedication to public service and his commitment to national development, balancing his demanding political role with a disciplined personal life. He remains a figure of integrity and ambition. Alongside his wife, Juliet, he forms a formidable political partnership, working to uplift the nation while maintaining a strong family foundation. His net worth, although modest compared to global standards, reflects a life built on service, careful management, and a focus on Jamaica's future prosperity.